Greeting everyone. In this video, we will show you how to secure your X account. The platform is set with the one now, and that it is powered by Elon Musk. So the thing is how to make your account secured. All what you need to do after logging into your profile, just go for more, then go for settings and privacy, then go for security and account access. And here in the section security, all about security area of your account. All what you need to do, I just advise to create passkey after you just getting your password in, and then you will need two-factor authentication, which is you will just type for it, get started. Here guys, you just on what you need to do, which is download the Google authentication or Microsoft, scan this, and it will give you the code itself. Put the code here, and you'll be all what anyone that he need to log in to your X account will need that code from the authentication application. And you can also add ID verification. It is really matter when your account lost or something need for monetizing system. You will need for your verification. So all this is the case of how to secure your account. Please subscribe to the channel, like and share. Peace.